Hello everyone and welcome to this course. My name is Sumit Dubey and I will be your instructor for 2D game development. I've been a game developer over 7 years, and during this time I got a chance to work on top gaming companies like Games to Win, VR Softec, India Today Gaming. All these companies are based in India. So along with my professional journey, I have spent a significant part of my career as a game developer, as an indie game developer, where I have handled everything like from designing to coding, publishing, monetization, and updates. So I have published many games on Play Store, and many of them are already generating steady revenue. That has given me a good idea that what actually work or what doesn't work in mobile gaming industry. So in this course, I will teach you everything like a practical technique, real world workflow, optimization tips and tricks, monetization insights, and everything which you should know to make your own 2D game with full of confidence. So I am very excited to see you in the course.